get older, but how we can kind of trick our subcutaneous fat to act like that brown fat through burning of ketones. So I just thought this was a fascinating topic. I wanted to relay to you. You're the only people this goes to in this ketone group as part of the education here. I have more to discuss. I have a whole series of lectures and notes I took on protein, and that's going to be the next topic I discuss, because I was freaked out on protein. Like, and I know some of you are too, because we said if we eat too much protein, it just turns into sugar. And you know what a big protein eater I am. I had to reduce down my protein. But the classes I attended on protein have given me more insight into protein and how we might think about it with our ketogenic diet, or think about it in general. So that's the next topic I want to bring into education, is a protein topic. So I hope you found this as interesting as I did. It's this education that's priceless, I think, in learning more about just metabolic rates in our body, how to amp it up and maybe even trick it in some cases. But I think it's just fascinating. So I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, you can put them down in the comment section. This is being taped. I'm going to put it out in our library of videos so you can watch it over and over again. Okay? Bye-bye.